So now let's do it again. We do this one. So the differentiation of this is 2x plus 3y squared plus 2. This is the product rule. So we have the differentiation x is 1, then times y positive. The x remain the way it is. Then differentiation of y is 1, and then you have to write dy dx is equal to 0. So we have 2x plus 3y squared plus 2y plus 2x dy dx is equal to 0. Then we come and substitute. We substitute. Where there's x, we put -1. Where there's y, we put 1. So we're going to have 2 minus 1 there, positive 3, 1 power 3, positive 2, 1 there, positive 2 minus 1, dy dx is equal to 0. Then now we multiply out. This is -2, positive 3, positive. Oh, there was a d1 dx, yes, now.
Yeah.
There was d1 dx here. There was d1 dx there, and then positive 2. Then you have y plus x dy dx is equal to 0. Then you have 2x plus 3y squared dy dx is equal, not equals, plus 2y plus 2x dy dx is equal to 0, like that. So in this case here, we are going to do what? To substitute there. So you have 2, then you have -1, positive 3, 1 squared there, then dy dx, for positive 2, then y is 1 there, positive 2 minus 1, then dy dx is equal to 0. Then now we multiply out. When you multiply this one, what we get? -2, positive 3 dy dx, positive 2 plus, that's plus -2, that is -2 dy, -2 dy dx is equal to 0. Then we have this and this that cancel out, and this also like term. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we're going to have our dy dx is equal to 0. So it means that the gradient of that line at -1, 1, it is 0. It is 0 at that point. So now we can make the equation of that, the tangent equation. So you have a 1 minus y naught is equal to the gradient, then x minus x naught. So we have y minus 1 is equal to the gradient is 0. Then you have what? X minus become positive 1 there. So you have y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So that the equation, this is the equation of the tangent at that point. So we also need to find the tangent to this curve at this point. That is -1 half bracket that -1 plus √5, like that. So it means that where there is x, we substitute with -1. Where there is y, you put this value there. And then for us to be very accurate, we need to use the calculator. We are going to have now 2 minus 1, then positive 3, y is a half, -1, positive √5, then squared, then dy the x, positive 2, then you have a half, then you have minus 1 plus root 5, then positive 2 minus 1, then the y, the x is equal to 0, like that. And then of course this is just minus 2 there, positive. So then you use calculator to put this value. So we have 3 outside, 3, then you open brackets, 3, open, you have 0.5, open, minus 1, positive, root 5, close, then is square. And you get 9 minus 3 root 5, then the y, the x, positive. We also put this one in calculator here, all of it. But these two can cancel out. That one there. So this one here I'm going to be like minus, or be positive, then you're going to have minus 1, positive 5 there. Then positive, this become minus again. It become minus 2 dy dx is equal to 0. Then the like terms, this and this one here, we also use calculator and we take it to the other side. So there are minus, we are going to have brackets there, minus 1, positive, root 5, we close, then minus 2, minus 2. So when you take it to the other side, it becomes positive, becomes positive. That is positive, positive, then this is minus 3, positive, root 5. Then now we have to do this one, this and this one here. But these are very simple, just 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 3 root 5, then dy dx divided by 7 minus 3 root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5. We cancel this one, then get our dy dx is equals to, this positive will affect this one here, become this be minus, this be positive, so there be no any effect. So we are just going to write that divided by 7 minus 3 root 5. Then the answer becomes minus 3 minus root 5 over 2. So that's the gradient now. That's the gradient. So then we have the equation of our straight line is given by y minus y naught, and y naught ours is minus a half minus 1 positive root 5 is equal to the gradient. This is the gradient, minus 3 minus root 5 over 2. Then our x minus 1 become positive 1 like that. Positive 1 like that on there. Then now we can, when you take this value to that side, become positive, and you can just write it like this: y minus a half minus 1 plus root 5 is equals to minus 3 minus root 5 over 2 x positive, minus again, minus 3 minus root 5 over 2. And then you take this value to the other side, and you have to use calculator to get the answer. So we would have our y is equals to y equals to minus 3 minus root 5 over 2x. Then you can put this value in the calculator and then plus this value. So you have this.
Yeah, I think you just leave it to the in this form as well.
Yeah. So the other C, you also do the same. You come and substitute it here. Yeah, and then from this equation here. That.